AI isn't just a threat. It's a tool that can be wielded for good. It also presents a golden opportunity for Pakistan, especially as a leading voice in the global south. The potential for positive change is immense. Imagine using AI to tackle some of the country's most pressing problems, things like poverty, healthcare, and education. The possibilities are endless. Picture AI-powered systems boosting agricultural yields, improving disaster response, and making cities smarter and more efficient. The impact could be transformative. That's the promise of AI, and it's a promise that Pakistan can't afford to ignore. The future is bright if we embrace it. The bottom line is this: AI is a double-edged sword. It can be a force for good or a source of peril. It presents both significant challenges and incredible opportunities. The key is to navigate this landscape wisely. And for Pakistan,